Hello all. Today we are going to see different methods, standard methods of solving differential equations. There are various methods like equations can be solved by variable separable method, then homogeneous equations, linear equations of the first order, and exact differential equations. And there are different methods for solving each of this type. So today we are going to study variable separable method. So if we have a differential equation, and if we can write that differential equation in this form, f of y dy, it is equals to phi of x dx. That means variables are separate. On the LHS side, we have all the variables corresponding to y, and on the RHS side, we have all the variables, all the terms containing x. So in that case, we say that the variables are separate. So what is the rule for solving such kind of equations? So suppose there is an equation, and if you can separate the variables, then you have to separate the variables first and write it in this form, f of y dy equals to phi of x dx. After that, integrate both sides. So integrating, and after integration, you have to add an arbitrary constant on the RHS side, like what we do in case of integration. Okay. So let us solve problems. So let us take this problem. Solve dy by dx equals to x into 2 log x plus 1 upon sin y plus y cos y. So we have this equation. If we cross multiply, see sin y plus y cos y into dy, cross multiply here, and here we will get x 2 log x plus 1 into dx. So now my variables are separate. So that means this equation can be solved by variable separable method. So first thing what you have to do after looking at the problem is just check whether we can separate the variables or not. If you can separate the variables, then you can solve by using variable separable method. Now we can see that variables are separate. So now integrating both sides. So integration of sin y plus y cos y dy equals to integration of x into 2 log x plus 1 into dx. Now I solve the bracket. So integration of sin y into dy plus integration of y cos y dy, integration of 2x, 2 into x, 2x log x dx plus integration of x plus x into 1 x dx. That way, just variables, just bracket solve here. Integration of sin y, we know it is minus cos y. Now we have to solve this integration of y cos y dy. So it is of the form integration of u into v dx, that is integration by parts. So for this you should know the formula, integration of u into v dx. So the formula is first function integration of second function minus big integral d by dx first function integration of second function and dx of this. So this is the formula. This is called as integration by parts. So we have first function u, second function v. So integration of u into v dx. It is first function integration of second function minus big integral d by dx first function integration of second function and integration of this, that is dx. Okay. So we are going to use this formula. So what we have is integration of y cos y dy. So first function is y integration of cos y dy minus big integral d by dy of y integration of cos y dy into dy. That way. This is equals to 2 log x x dx. यहाँ पे भी integration by parts करना है. But there is one thing, there is one rule which is called as LIATE rule. That is logarithmic inverse algebraic trigonometric exponential. Now here if we look at this term y cos y, ये जो function है that is algebraic function. Cos y it is trigonometric function. So algebraic function पहले आता है, उसके बाद में trigonometric आता है. So that is how we have selected first function as y and second function as cos y. So when you are integrating by parts, first you have to select which will be the first function and which will be the second function. Now in case of log x x dx, log x logarithmic function comes first. After that you have an algebraic function. So L after the words a. So इसलिए हम लोग log x will be our first function and x will be our second function. And this is very important. If you don't this, you won't get a correct answer. ठीक है. तो ये LIATE rule you should know, and then you should know the formula for integration by parts. So इसका भी integration plus x square by 2. So minus cos y, y cos y का integration sin y minus derivative of y it is 1 integration of cos y it is sin y dy. equals to, now integrating by parts of this. So 2 first function as it is, integration of second function minus big integral d by dx first function integration of second function dx plus x square by 2 ये जो term था वो. So we get minus cos y plus y sin y, integration of sin y, it is cos y. It is minus cos y, minus minus will become plus. That is how we have plus over here. It is equals to 2 times log x, integration of x ds, it is x square by 2 minus integration of log x is 1 by x into x dx is x square by 2 dx plus ये वाला x square by 2 as it is. So we are getting here plus cos y minus cos y, these two terms will get cancelled, ये cancel हो जाएगा. So what we will get, y sin y equals to 2 times x square log x upon 2 minus integration of x dx by 2 plus x square by 2. Integration of x dx, it is x square by 2. So हो जाएगा, ये भी 2 है, so it will be x square by 4. And this 2 is also multiplied. So y sin y 2 x square log x upon 2 minus 2. This 2 is multiplied over here 2 times x square by 4 because x square by 2 आएगा and 2 already is there. Plus constant of integration c plus x square by 2. So y sin y equals to x square log x, 2 cancel हो गया, minus 1 2 cancelled, so we will get x square by 2 plus c x square by 2 plus x square by 2 minus x square by 2 will get cancelled. So we will get y sin y, it is equals to x square log x plus c. This is the answer. Let us take second problem. Dx by x equals to tan y dy. So variables are separate. We can hence integrating, already separate variables ही दिए हैं. So integration of dx by x equals to integration of tan y dy. Integration of dx by x is log x. Integration of tan y का कोई formula नहीं है. So what we will do? We will write integration of sin y upon cos y dy. और so tan का फॉर्मूला is sin y upon cos y, और मैंने 2 बार माइनस लिखा, माइनस आउटसाइड माइनस, माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. मुझे माइनस sin y टर्म चाहिए, दैट इज हाउ मैंने 2 बार माइनस लिखा, तो माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, दैट वी नो. सो log x, देयर इज वन फॉर्मूला इन इंटीग्रेशन, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f ऑफ x और ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में रहेगा f डैश ऑफ x dx, इट इज इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ f ऑफ x प्लस सी. ये फॉर्मूला है. सो अगर यू हैव एनी फंक्शन इन द डिनोमिनेटर और जिसका डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है, सो द फॉर्मूला इज लॉग ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ कॉस वाई है, कॉस वाई का डेरिवेटिव क्या है, माइनस साइन वाई. सो इसका डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है, सो दैट इज हाउ लॉग ऑफ आई कैन राइट कॉस वाई प्लस लॉग सी. इसलिए मैंने माइनस साइन लिया बिकॉज कॉस वाई का डेरिवेटिव माइनस है, सो माइनस माइनस दैट इज वन एंड द सेम. सो लॉग एक्स प्लस log cos y इस साइड शिफ्ट करूंगी, so I will get plus log cos y. And there is a practice that when you have all functions in log, तो हम लोग constant भी ना log के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. So that is how I have written log c instead of c. So log x plus log cos y equals to log c, log a plus log b, that is log a into b. So log x into cos y. There is formula for log a plus log b, it is equals to log ab. ये सारे फॉर्मूलेस तुम लोगों को लर्न करना है. सो टेकिंग एंटीलॉग ऑफ बोथ साइड, सो वी विल गेट x cos y equals to c, which is the required answer. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, dy by dx equals to root of 1 minus y square upon root of 1 minus x square. सो वेरिएबल सेपरेट करेंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो dy अपॉन y की टर्म dx को इस साइड शिफ्ट किया, इसको इस साइड शिफ्ट किया. So dy by root 1 minus y square dx upon root 1 minus x square. So now variables are separate, so we will integrate both sides. So integration of dy upon root 1 minus y square, integration of dx upon root 1 minus y square. This is the formula. Integration of dy upon root of 1 minus y square, it is sin inverse of y. Integration of dx upon root 1 minus x square, it is sin inverse of x plus c. So ये formulas दो तुम लोगों को ये फॉर्मूला भी पता होना चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स टैन वाई डी एक्स प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई टैन एक्स डी वाई, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स टैन वाई डी एक्स, आई शिफ्टेड दिस टर्म टू दैट साइड, सो माइनस सेक्स स्क्वायर वाई टैन एक्स डी वाई. नाउ सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स डी एक्स, ये tan x मैंने इस साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया, माइनस सेक्स स्क्वायर वाई डी वाई, tan y I shifted to this side. Variables are now separate, so I will integrate. So integrating tan x, it is in the डिनोमिनेटर tan x का डेरिवेटिव होता है sec square x. So again we are using this formula that integration of f of x ऊपर f dash of x, नीचे फंक्शन है ऊपर उसका डेरिवेटिव है. So in that case the formula is log of f of x. That is how I got log of tan x equals to minus log of tan y plus log c. ये टर्म इस साइड शिफ्ट किया, log a plus log b, that is log a into b equals to log c. Taking anti-log of both sides, so I will get tan x into tan y equals to c. Very simple problem. Next, 1 plus x square dy equals to minus xy dx equals to 0. So dy, तो इसी को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 plus x square into dy, it is equals to xy dx. ओके, तो dy अपॉन y और dx अपॉन 1 plus x square, x dx अपॉन 1 plus x square. जस्ट शिफ्ट किया टर्म, सो आई गॉट 0 this way. So dy by y equals to x dx upon 1 plus x square. Now as we can see the variables are separate, we will integrate. So integration of dy by y equals to integration of x dx upon 1 plus x square. Now 1 plus x square का डेरिवेटिव, हमारा फंक्शन क्या है 1 plus x square, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा 2x. हमारे पास सिर्फ x है, हमें 2x चाहिए, तो वी कैन यूज दैट लॉग वाला फॉर्मूला. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 डिवाइड बाई 2. ठीक है, सो वैसे किया. So I will get integration of dy by y is log y half, नीचे फंक्शन है ऊपर उसका डेरिवेटिव, so log of 1 plus x square plus log c. So log y equals to we have a formula b log a, it is equals to log a raised to b. So b log a, it is equals to log a raised to b. So log 1 plus x square raised to half. Half raised to half means nothing but root. So we have log of y upon रूट 1 plus x square equals to c. How we got this? log y, इस टर्म को उस साइड शिफ्ट किया. We have a formula log a minus log b. It is given by log a upon b. So log y minus log of root of 1 plus x square, it is log y upon root of 1 plus x square equals to c, equals to log c. So taking anti-log of both sides, so we will get y upon root 1 plus x square equals to c. Root 1 plus x square multiply किया, so we will get y equals to c root 1 plus x square. Taking square of both sides, so we will get y square equals to c dash 1 plus x square. c square आएगा, c square सपोज दूसरा कोई कांस्टेंट है c dash, या फिर यहां तक भी सॉल्व किया तो चलेगा. ठीक है, दैट इज ओके. Last problem we will take from variable separable method. So e raised to y plus 1 cos x dx plus e raised to y sin x dy equals to 0. E raised to y plus 1 cos x dx, ये टर्म उस साइड शिफ्ट किया, so I got minus e raised to y sin x dx. cos x dx अपॉन ये sin x यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया, माइनस e raised to y dy और e raised to y plus 1 टर्म इस साइड शिफ्ट किया. Now we can see the variables are separate, hence we will integrate. Integration of cos x dx upon sin x minus integration of e raised to y dy upon e raised to y plus 1. Here you can easily see that here we have a function और उसका डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है. Here also we have a function जिसका डेरिवेटिव ऊपर है. So we will use this formula log of sin x equals to minus log of e raised to y plus 1 plus log c. Shifting this to over here, we will get log sin x plus log e raised to y plus 1 equals to log c. Log a plus log b, that is log a into b equals to log c. Taking anti-log of both sides, so we will get sin x e raised to y plus 1 equals to c. So that is all for variable separable method. Thank you.